If the war ended tomorrow, what happens to Bitcoin? Would it crash, pump, or finally go mainstream? Let's break it down. What's up, family? It's Coach Massey, and you're locked in to the Daily Hodl. This is your daily breakdown of Bitcoin and financial news. What's actually moving the markets, what it means for your money, and how to stay ahead of the game. Today, we've got two big stories. MicroStrategy's latest policy shift and how it could impact both MicroStrategy stock and Bitcoin. Also, the Ukraine war scenario. If peace was announced tomorrow, how would that ripple through global markets and Bitcoin alike? Stick with me, because I promise you by the end of this video, you'll walk away with clarity that 95% of the mainstream media won't give you. So let's kick it off with MicroStrategy, aka the biggest corporate whale in Bitcoin. They just updated their ATM policy. That's also known as the at-the-money stock issuance policy. Instead of sticking to a predictable 2x or 2.5x MNAV schedule of issuing shares, they've switched back to doing it at their discretion, along with debt and dividends. Translation, they can sell shares whenever they want, depending on market conditions that they see fit. So, why does this matter? If you're a Bitcoin person, you should be asking yourself that question. It matters, one, for flexibility. It gives them the power to raise capital when markets are strong, which means more dry powder to buy Bitcoin. As for uncertainty, shareholders now have less visibility. That unpredictable can spook traditional investors, adding more volatility to MicroStrategy stock. But here's the kicker. MicroStrategy has basically rebranded themselves as Bitcoin leverage play that you might want. If you own MicroStrategy, you're essentially holding Bitcoin with an extra layer of corporate risk. For Bitcoiners, this move is bullish long term. But for more potential Bitcoin buys on dips, you're excited. For stockholders, it's a gamble. Do you trust Michael Saylor's timing or not? He always said he'll buy the top forever. Now, for the what if that could reshape global markets overnight. If the Ukraine war ended tomorrow, how would that impact your Bitcoin? Let's break it into three layers. First one, energy and commodities. A peace deal likely drives oil and gas prices down. Lower energy costs, well, that equals lower inflation pressures. Markets love that. Stocks pump, risk appetite returns. Bitcoin, gains from the increased liquidity and optimism, that's great. Now, global risk appetite. Right now, investors hedge against war with safe havens, gold, oil, defense stocks. Peace shifts that narrative. Suddenly, risk on assets like tech and Bitcoin become attractive again. Institutions sitting on the sidelines, more likely to allocate when geopolitical risk cools. So, Bitcoin's dual identity. Here's the twist. Bitcoin benefits from both chaos and calm. During chaos, it's a hedge against inflation and geopolitical instability. During the calm time, it thrives as a risk-on growth asset with asymmetric upside. That's why Bitcoin's unique, because peace wouldn't kill the bull case. It would just shift the narrative. So whether it's MicroStrategy's next Bitcoin buy or a major geopolitical event ending, the core point is this. Bitcoin is now in the conversation with oil, gold, equities, and currencies. In fact, it's been for a long time now. It's no longer just a tech experiment, it's a macro asset. And every headline, whether corporate policy or global politics, has potential to move Bitcoin's number. That's why staying informed matters. Not just watching the charts, but connecting the dots between policy, war, and markets. So here's my question for you. Do you think Bitcoin benefits more from chaos or from peace and stability? I want to hear from you. Give me your take. Drop it in the comments below. And hey, if you got value from this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your new Bitcoin crew. That's how we spread knowledge and grow this community. Well, I just want to thank you for coming and give you a quick reminder. This is not financial advice. Do your own research before making any investment decisions. This is just education purposes only. So that's your Daily Hodl for August 18th, 2025. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and as always, Lead.Pray.Hodl. I'll see you in the next one.